Is sponsored by Just Right Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Temperatures are dropping and the first signs of winter are here as the chill sets in. It's time to start prepping our homes for the colder months ahead. Michael is here from Just Right Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Welcome to the show.
Hey, thank you.
Great to see you, Michael. Okay, what are some things we can do to prepare for that transition from fall to winter?
Best thing to do is do some maintenance on your system from a professional like ourselves.
Okay.
And my grandfather used to say, if you take care of it, it will take care of you.
That makes sense.
Yeah, one of those maintenance items is changing your filter. I know all of us know we need to do that, but most homes have a filter like that. It's about 1 inch thick. Needs to be changed about once a month.
Once a month, good reminder. Okay.
Yeah. We have a media filter here that needs to be changed about 3 to 4 times, once every 3 to 4 months. And so, like the snow that we have on the mountains, we're capturing a lot of high peaks and valleys. We'll catch more snow there.
Yeah.
Versus in the valley, which
I see
would
those.
represent the smaller filter.
This makes so much more sense. It's going to catch a lot more. I mean, you look at the size of it. So this is the whole thing right here that fits in most furnaces.
It will, yeah.
That is so cool. Okay, is there anything we can do to make our homes more comfortable, Michael?
Absolutely. Add humidity. In the Rocky Mountain region where we live, the air is really dry, and we go in our homes and we make it drier because that furnace is on, that heat's on.
True.
We don't get the natural humidity that we had from the outside. So whole home humidifiers, they run when your furnace is running, and all that humidity comes through the vents, and the temperature feels better. You can actually lower your thermostat settings.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just feels better when you're breathing in that air that's just a little, more humidity is better for us, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, when it comes to seasonal allergies and illness, is there anything we can do to help us feel healthier this winter?
Yeah, adding an indoor air quality device, which also attaches to your furnace system. The floaties that come in the air and you see it through the sunlight.
In the lights when you see them. Yeah.
We need to attack those, get them out of the breathing space, because those don't usually end up in the filter when we think it does. So we don't want to breathe that in. Yeah, indoor air quality devices can take some of that out of the air.
Yeah, those little floaties, that's what we're breathing in.
Yeah.
Okay, good reminder. Let's recap everything we've talked about so we can have and save energy by changing our filters and getting the furnace checked by a professional, like you said. We can stay comfortable and manage temperatures by adding a home humidification. And lastly, we can feel better by adding an indoor air quality device. Is there anything you want to add, Michael?
No, you hit it. Filtration, humidification, and purification.
Yeah, all for our families, and we'll feel so much better. Okay, why is regular maintenance so important, would you say?
For one, it's energy savings, just like your car. If you had a fuel filter and you didn't do anything with your filter in your car, your gas mileage would go down. So that's one thing, is energy savings. The other one is for the maintenance of your system to make sure it doesn't break down.
I mean, that's what we want.
Yeah.
We don't want to have to fix that. Those can be big bills. So make sure you're taking care of it throughout the year. Michael, where can we go for more information?
JustRightAir.com.
Okay, amazing. Yeah. Thank you for all these tips and reminders. Great to see you.
Great to see you. Thanks.